Hello guys, good morning. So we'll be talking about ER ending verbs, and I am Bhavasai Khandal, 17 BCL 251, enrolled in VIT Vellore. So a brief introduction about the ER ending verbs or the other verbs ending in ER, IR and RE is as follows. So we have three kind of verbs in French. One is ER ending verbs, one is IR ending verbs, and one is RE ending verbs. ER ending verbs are called first group verbs, IR ending verbs are called second group verbs, and RE ending verbs are called third group verbs. Proceeding to the next slide. So we have the ER ending verbs. We have to, in this ER ending verbs, we have to remove the ER from the verb and we have to replace with some endings. That depends upon the kind, the nature of we have pronouns. So we have regarde, that means to watch. Chante, that means to sing. So here we have to replace the ER and ER of Shante and ER of Rigade as they are ER ending verbs with some endings. So this table discusses the subject pronouns which we have. If it is first person, the kind of the description of the subject pronouns is first person singular. So first person singular stands for I in English, and for in French it is called as je. For second person singular, it is you in English, and in French it is called as tu. Third person singular, masculine, it is as he in English, and it is pronounced as il. For third person singular, feminine, it is she in English, and il is pronounced as French. First person plural, we have we in English, and in French it is pronounced as nous. We do not pronounce the S of nous and S of vous. Okay, so for the second person plural, it is vous. For third person plural masculine, it is il. We do not pronounce the S in this also and in this also. For the third person plural also, and for the first person plural and second person plural also. So we have the endings as such. So we have to replace the ER, like we have an example here, parler. So it means to speak. So we have to remove the ER ending verb from this verb with the following endings depending upon the subject pronouns. So we have to keep a note, like we don't have to pronounce the ENT of the third person plural. Here we have the third person plural. So we are replacing the ER with ENT. We don't have to pronounce it as ENT. Like we have parlant. We do not pronounce as parlant. It is pronounced as parler. So there are some examples. So we have demander, that means to ask or to demand for. It is pronounced as je demande, that means I ask or I am asking or I do ask. Tu demande, that means you ask, you are asking or you do ask. Il demande, that means he demand, he is asking or he asks. Elle demande, that means she asks, she is asking and she do ask. Similarly, we have for pronouns, we have nous. We do not pronounce it as nous, it is pronounced as nous. Nous demandons. Demandons. It is not pronounced as ONS. It is pronounced till here only. Nous demandons. So, vous demandez. We do not pronounce the Z of this. So, il demande and elle demande. Similarly, we have garder, to keep, to look for, like some person guard, to keep an eye on it. So we have je garde. It is pronounced as je garde in French. That means to keep, I keep, I am keeping, and I do keep. Tu garde, il garde, elle garde, nous gardons, vous gardez, il garde, and elle garde. So we have je, that means to play. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, and elle. That means to play. Monter means to climb, to go up. So, je monte, tu monte, il monte, elle monte, nous montons, vous montez, il monte, and elle monte. Passer means to spend time. Je passe, tu passes, il passe, elle passe, nous passons, vous passez, il passe, and elle passe. Montre means to show. Je montre. It is pronounced as je montre. Montre. Tu montres, il montre, elle montre, nous montrons, vous montrez, il montre, and il montre. So we have ferma, that means to close. Je ferma, tu ferma, il ferma, elle ferma, nous fermons, vous fermez, il ferme, and elle ferme. We have donna, to give. Je donne, tu donnes, il donne, elle donne, nous donnons, vous donnez, il donne, and elle donne. So we have commander, that means to give order. So je commande, tu commande, il commande, elle commande, nous commandons, vous commandez, il commande, and elle commande. For porter, it means to carry. Je porte, tu portes, il porte, elle porte, nous portons, vous portez, il porte, and elle porte. So we have parler, that means to speak. Je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle, and elle parle. We have cherche, that means to search for. Je cherche, tu cherches, il cherche, elle cherche, nous cherchons, vous cherchez, il cherche, and elle cherche. So we have rester, that means to stay, to remain. Je reste, we don't pronounce this as je reste. We pronounce it je reste, tu restes, il reste, elle reste. Nous restons, vous restez, il reste, and elle reste. We have regarded, that means to look, to watch. Je regarde, tu regardes, il regarde, elle regarde. Vous regardons, vous regardez, il regarde, and elle regarde. We have trova, that means to find. Je trova, tu trova, il trove, elle trove, nous trovons, vous trouvez, ils trouvent, elle trouvent. So we have traveler, that means to work. Je travaille, tu travailles, il travaille, elle travaille, nous travaillons, vous travaillez, il travaille, and elle travaille. So we have pauser, that means to push. Je pose, tu poses, il pose, elle pose, nous posons, vous posez, il pose, and elle pose. Chante means to sing. Je chante, tu chante, il chante, elle chante, nous chantons, vous chantez, il chante, and elle chante. In the next slide, this is the last thing. We have dancer, that means to dance. Je danse, tu danses, il danse, elle danse, nous dansons, vous dansez, il dance, and elle dance. So we'll have a kind of revision. for subject pronouns, like we have in English I, you, he, she, we, you, they. So they are called as je, tu, il, elle, nous, vos, vous, il, elle. That means first person singular, second person singular, third person singular masculine, third person singular feminine, first person plural, second person plural, third person plural, and for masculine and for feminine. So we have to replace this er with these endings as per the subject pronouns we have to use. So this was the er ending verbs, and I thank you all for joining this session. Thank you so much.